Jan Czochralski, one of the great Polish scientists, ranked next to Maria Skłodowska-Curie and Nicolaus Copernicus, an outstanding chemist, metallurgist and crystallographer. He invented the method of growing metal single crystals. He is known as the forerunner of electronics. His life was full of successes and dramatic twists of fate. His great work as a researcher and his legacy of the Czochralski method, i.e. the method of measuring metal crystallization rates, entirely changed the image of our civilization, but Professor Czochralski did not live long enough to see it. Jan Czochralski was born in 1885 in Ksenia near Bydgoszcz, then under Prussian rule. Though he graduated from the Teachers' College, he never actually collected his certificate in protest at unfair grades. He was always interested in chemistry. He worked as an apprentice in a pharmacy where he conducted his first chemistry experiments. In 1904, Czochralski left for Berlin. He attended lectures in chemistry and began his work at industrial laboratories. In 1916, as it is said, Jan Czochralski made his greatest discovery when by pure accident he absent-mindedly dipped his pen in a crucible with molten tin instead of the inkwell. This discovery later became known as the Czochralski method. His method was later generally used to obtain single crystals of silicon, the basis of contemporary electronics. Czochralski was well known in Germany and was highly regarded by the scientific community. He made many inventions and developed numerous patents, which earned him recognition and made him a wealthy man. He was even invited to the US by Henry Ford, who offered him the position of the head of his laboratory, but Czochralski declined his offer. In 1928, Czochralski returned to Poland on the invitation of the Polish president, Ignacy Mościcki. He set up the Modern Institute of Metallurgy and Metal Science at the Faculty of Chemistry at the Technical University of Warsaw. He was the head of the institute, and on the 1st of April 1929, he took the position of contract professor there. He continued his research and scientific work. In 1945, Jan Czochralski was offered the proposal to go to Austria, but he decided to return to his hometown, Ksenia, where he set up a small firm with household chemistry products. He died in 1953 after a visit of the political police to his house. He never expected that his method would be used to create a new, huge electronics industry. The Czochralski method became popularized by the scientists Gordon Thiel and John Little, who transferred his method from metallurgy to semiconductor production and later to the industrial production of silicon single crystals. Thanks to this, electronics began to evolve and gain momentum, with an avalanche of new inventions including transistors, processors, computers, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, digital cameras, and thousands of other things which could be created as a result of scientific progress, but which originated in the method conceived by Professor Jan Czochralski.